Hello, so today I'll be going over indices. A lot of these will be familiar from your GCSE maths, and again, some of them might seem quite simple to start off with, but we will be moving on to harder ones later on. So if we start with this fairly simple one, x to the power of 3 is the same as saying x times x times x. Sorry for my handwriting, but yeah, so x cubed is saying times itself by 3 times. Now if we want a more difficult one, x to the power of a third. This is the same as saying cubic root of x. Now, basically, the easiest way of remembering this is if I've got something n and m, n is the amount you square it by, and m is the amount you square root it by. So if I had x to the power of 71 over, I don't know, 112, that equals the square root of 112, the 112th square root of x to the power of 71. You could take this to huge numbers, but this is the best way of displaying it. Now if we move on to another one, x to the power of minus 4, this is a reciprocal. So what this means is x to the power of minus 4 is 1 to the power of, sorry, 1 over x to the power of 4. So again, the easiest way to remember this is the minus just means reciprocal, which means 1 over. So if I've got x to the power of minus 81, it equals 1 over x to the power of 81. So now if we move on to something slightly different, timesing. So if I do x cubed times x to the power of 7, what you've got to do is you've got to add the indices. So the answer to this would be x to the power of 10. So all you've got to do is add the indices. Again, if I come up with another example, x to the power of 20 times x to the power of 72, this would equal x to the power of 92. You just need to add the indices whenever you're timesing. It's exactly the same, the opposite to the divide. So all you need to do is take away the indices. So this particular example would equals x to the power of 4. Again, if I do another example, x to the power of 111 divided by x to the power of 61 equals x to the power of 50. Oh, sorry, 50, not 56. Just got to take them away. It's that simple. Now, the difficulty comes when you start to combine these. So, x to the power of minus a quarter would be the same as, if you start off with the minus, it'd be a reciprocal, so you've got 1 over x to the power of a quarter, and then that equals 1 over 4th root of x. So, yeah, when you start to combine indices, you do exactly the same thing, you just do it in several steps instead of one easy step. So, thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your indices.